name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and this channel is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and today I am filming another thrift with me. So here on my channel, I try to share videos twice a week, and just about once a week I do share a thrift with me. So I do collaborate with a local thrift store here in my area, and I share my favorite things that they have in the store here on YouTube and also on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, be sure to check me out. I'll leave my handle right here. It's just at The Simplistic Home, but I do share over there pretty regularly all things affordable decorating and thrifting. If all that sounds good to you, I hope you consider subscribing today. I would love to have you. I also want to mention that today is one of the very first thrift with me's for the summer. I'm super pumped. So school is finally getting out for everybody, and I feel like everyone's just in full-blown summer mode at this point. So it's been pretty warm where I live. I live in the Midwest, and we've had some days where it's like 95 degrees. So definitely full swing for summer. And speaking of summer, I'm going to be doing a lot of summer decorating here on my channel. I've already shared a summer 2022 huge home decor haul, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be using in my home this year for summer. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more summer decorating videos coming up. I am going to be doing a video on my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen as well. I also have a patio refresh coming your way as well. So be sure to hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post so you don't miss out. But without further ado, let's go ahead into the thrift store and see what we can find today. So the first thing I saw whenever I walked into the thrift store this day was the Patriotic section that they had. So all of the festive things for Memorial Day that we just had, and also for the 4th of July coming up. So as you can see, they had some really pretty American flags. They had some ball caps. They had festive clothing for kids and adults as well. Just a little bit of everything. So if you wanted to have a party and just have a little bit of fun on the 4th, you can definitely thrift your items and you can find some pretty good things. Moving along to the everyday decor. So I have found so many items from this particular thrift store for my home, and I absolutely love coming here. So even before I started collaborating with this store, I would come in here pretty much on a weekly basis and just scope out all of their home decor. And every week I check out their baskets, I check out their pillows and blankets, wall decor. They have lamps, they have furniture, you name it, more than likely they have it here. And every single week it is something different. So like I said, I do collaborate with Renew. I love coming here, and at the end of this video you will see I do style a little section here. So I do work with them now, and it is amazing, and I love sharing with you guys all the things that they have. So I always keep an eye out for brands at Target, brands from Hobby Lobby, like items from there. I like to look at their faux plants, a little bit of everything. So I've had pretty good luck recently finding faux plants from the thrift store, and specifically this one. So in my summer home decor haul, you guys saw a huge faux tree that I found from this thrift store, and it was $15. And on this particular day I found another tree that was $20, and it had a basket with it, and it's so pretty. So lots of great items here, and I just love sharing with you guys what they have. One of my favorite sections here is the furniture section. So you can find some really good things at really great prices, and I love looking at their little wooden chairs. So if you guys have seen my home decor hauls and home decor like decorating with me's and things like that, I do have a couple of chairs that I keep in corners in a few of my rooms, and one of them is a little wooden chair with a cane top that I have in my kitchen, and I love to put little plants on there. So I have a pothos plant staged on top of a little wooden chair in my kitchen, and it looks really cute. So if you guys like that look, definitely check out the thrift stores, and you can find chairs for a great price. I could not believe that I found a Magnolia Home item here. So this is a sugar mold. They are so cute, and I know some people style them in hutches and whatnot, but in years past I have actually had a sugar mold as a centerpiece on my dining room table, and in the little holes there on top of the sugar mold I put florals and greenery and just made like a huge centerpiece with it. So that is a great idea if you ever come across a sugar mold while you're thrifting or out at antique stores. I also thought this piece was neat too. It's kind of like a little like lazy Susan, if you will. So you can put like a canister or something on there and just kind of rotate it around. I thought that was interesting. I also thought that these wooden houses would be so cute in a little kid's room, like in a nursery or something. They kind of have the kid vibe to it, in my opinion, but they are so cute. And as you can see, they were originally from the Target dollar spot for $3, but I just thought that these were adorable, so I wanted to share. So one of my favorite sections to check out in the thrift store is the book section. And as you can see here on this particular day, I did find a stack of cookbooks that were Better Homes and Gardens. So I thought that was really awesome. But I love looking for matte finished books. So as you can see, all of these have a matte cover, and I love to decorate with them facing out so that the pages show. And this particular thrift store has books for $5 for $1, so you truly cannot beat the price. Another thing I love thrifting is clothing. So a lot of the clothing in my closet is thrifted, and whenever I collaborate with this store, I do choose my favorite like clothing pieces, and I like to style them and just show people that you can thrift some pretty good pieces for your closet. So I do love to look for universal thread and pretty much just any type of neutral clothing item that's just more my style and just kind of a relaxed vibe that I go for. So anyway, that's exactly what I'm showing here, and I just love the style. Another thing I found this day was a one-piece navy swimsuit. It was so cute. I wasn't a huge fan of how it fit my hips per se, so I didn't end up purchasing it, but it was adorable. If it would have had more of a high hip, I totally would have purchased it, and it was only $8, and it looked brand new. Another thing that I like to do whenever I'm thrifting is kind of use my imagination, if you will. I did find this leopard. It looks like a dress on me, but it was actually a size 4X and super cute top. But I decided that since it was too big for me, that I could wear it as a dress, and I thought it was super cute. Alright, you guys, and this is the little section that I style. So this was before, so it's been about a week since I have touched this section, and afterwards I have it filled with all of the things that I found in this thrift store this day. So everything that you guys just saw in these clips beforehand, I go ahead afterwards before I leave for the day and style it in this section just to give people inspiration on how they can style things in their home and truly just give them a new eye for the pieces that need extra love, because these are pieces that people just didn't want anymore, and of course they were donated. So I like to kind of give them a facelift and just share ideas on how you can style these pieces in your home, because a lot of these pieces you can find pretty regularly in thrift stores, especially the greenery and books and shoes and baskets, furniture, things along those lines. My hope for this space is that the simplistic home is inspiring to you guys, and it truly just encourages you and inspires you to thrift and just add some affordable decor to your home if you don't already. I just absolutely love doing this. Adding affordable decor and thrifted pieces into my home is something that I have done for several years now, about 6 years now actually. My husband and I are coming up on our 6th wedding anniversary, and I just absolutely love it. So I found that so many people that come into my home always ask me, where did you find this? It's so pretty. And 9 times out of 10, my answer is the thrift store. So I just love giving these pieces new life and truly just sharing with you guys what you can find. Per usual, I'm going to give you guys a quick little haul. I am super excited about what I found today. Like I said, they had a lot of good things in there. As you saw, that tree was an excellent price. That thing was huge, and it was only $20, I believe. And then I always love the little wooden chairs. So that one was $8. Typically here at this thrift store, they have them for $8 a piece. So that was a great find. Just a lot of like little knick-knack type things. I don't know, they just had a lot of cute stuff. So charcuterie boards, they had another crock, and it was on like a little like Lazy Susan. I showed that in a clip. It was like a wooden top, so that was really cute. And then what else did they have that I really liked? Oh, those old Better Homes and Gardens cookbooks. Those were really awesome. I think they had like 7 or 8 of those there, so that was cool. And the books at their thrift store are, you can get 5 for $1, which is amazing. So you guys know I love incorporating thrifted books into my home decor. I look for a particular like style, so I love the matte finish on books. So that's actually part of my haul. I did grab a few, but like I said, they're only 5 for $1, so you can't beat it. Side note, my hair is blowing because I'm in my car. Obviously I have the AC running and I am so hot. It is like 90 something degrees right now, and I was in there for like 4.5 hours working, so a little toasty. Anyways, back to the haul. So first thing that I picked up was actually in the like festive decor area, so like by the 4th of July stuff and like Memorial Day stuff they had left over. So I found a white Time and True ball cap. I love wearing ball caps, especially in the summer, just because I throw my hair back all the time. So anyway, found one brand new with tags, and it was only $1, so I know I'll wear this constantly. So that was a great find. And then the next thing that I picked up, I love this, I think it is so cute, is this like vine plant. So I have one similar that I found at IKEA back in like last fall, and this one doesn't have a tag on it, but it looks very similar, so I'm thinking that's where this came from. I'm not sure, but it was only $2, so it looks, I mean, pretty realistic, I think. And then it has the little black pot, but I bought this because I think it looks perfect inside of this crock. So I'm a sucker for crocks. I think they look super cool. I love them in my kitchen, or just using them as little like decorative like planters. So that's what I plan to do with this one. But this one was $4, and as you can tell, it's like a neutral color, but then it's also like pretty aged too, which I think is cool. So you can do a lot with crocks. I don't have like a true farmhouse style. My home is actually European farmhouse. I've mentioned that on here before. If you guys are new here, I discovered that European farmhouse is my home decor style. So it's like vintage mixed with kind of eclectic farmhouse, a little bit of everything, kind of traditional. But anyway, long story short, I think that this little crock with the plant inside is super cute. So love this. And then what else did I pick up? A ton of books. So I ended up getting 10 books, which is only $2 worth of books, which is amazing. And I love to get the ones, like I said, that have a like matte finish on them. So this is what I'm talking about. It's just like a matte, I don't know, matte cover. So I like to decorate with my books facing out this way because I like to show the pages. So I found, like I said, 10 of them total, all different colors, but like neutral colors. There's some blacks, I think there's some navy, some ivory, different things like that. So I'm planning to use these in my summer decor. So be on the lookout for my summer decorate with me to see how I style these. But one of my ideas is to stack like multiple up. So I have 3 here, and then place this little plant on top of it. Super cute. I think I actually showed a clip of that. Sorry, it's hard to do this right now because I'm filming on my phone. Whenever I go thrifting, I film on my phone, so I have to hold up my phone currently. But anyway, you get the gist. I'll try to show you this. It'll be like this, but with multiple books. So super, super cute. I'm really excited about that. And then the only other thing that I picked up was this outdoor throw pillow. So it's a navy one. They had a ton of those there, but I only just needed the one, and it was $4. And it is the Threshold brand from Target, I believe. Yes, it's Threshold, and like I said, it was only $4. So another great find. So I ended up spending $13 on 10 books, a crock, the plant, and the pillow, and the ball cap. So not bad at all. I absolutely love going to the thrift stores and finding all of the great things. So if you guys enjoy thrifting, let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite item that you have ever thrifted? I would love to know. I think it is super interesting to see what people find at thrift stores and just the great prices that you can get items at. So let me know in the comments. And also, I was wondering this. Let me know if you guys would like for me to do like more shop with me style videos at other stores. So obviously I will always keep with the thrifting, always share thrift with me's, but if there are any other like retail stores that you guys would be interested in going shopping with me at, let me know down in the comments. I do you know, like to go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Target, Hobby Lobby, just all different places like that, Kirkland's, you know. So anyway, just let me know down in the comments. I would love to do that too. If there's any like other summer home decor inspiration you're wanting, I can definitely film those videos and just show you like my favorite picks and how I would style them and whatnot. So anyway, there is that. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. I feel like this might be a little bit of a lengthy video, so nonetheless, be on the lookout for my summer decorating videos. They are definitely coming up. Like I said, I will have 3 different decorating videos inside of my home with the living room, dining room, and kitchen. And then I also have some outdoor summer decorating as well. So like I said, if you guys enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would absolutely love to have you here. But thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.